Creating a creeper farm in Minecraft allows you to harvest gunpowder for crafting fireworks and other items. Here's a concise guide. Location. Find a suitable location for your creeper farm. Choose a flat area with good visibility and minimal nearby caves or dark spaces where mobs can spawn. Mob spawning platforms. Build multiple layers of spawning platforms with trapdoors or carpets on top to prevent spiders from spawning. Each platform should be a few blocks apart vertically. Trapdoors or water channels. Place trapdoors or water channels on the edges of each platform to funnel creepers towards a central connection point. Water channels can lead to a kill chamber or simply drop them to a lower level. Lighting. Ensure the spawning platforms are well lit to prevent other hostile mobs from spawning. Light levels of 7 or above will deter creeper spawns. Collection system. At the collection point, use water streams to transport the creepers to a designated area where you can kill them. Common methods include using cats or iron golems to scare the creepers into trapdoors leading to a killing chamber. Killing chamber. In the killing chamber, use a system to eliminate the creepers, such as water currents pushing them into a lava blade or a chamber where you can safely attack them. Collect the drops using hoppers and chests. AFK spot. Create an AFK spot near the farm to allow the creepers to spawn continuously. Testing and adjustments. Test your farm and make adjustments to improve efficiency if necessary. Check for dark spots that might hinder spawning.